Hey, to fix lags on your Poco C85, first of all, I will highly recommend you to turn off features like I'm using, like edge lighting and the live wallpaper, because it's actually take a lot of your CPU and RAM memory, and this is one of the reasons why you have lags. So now while changing your wallpaper, also make sure that you are not using Wallpaper Carousel, just select Don't Agree, and just set a normal wallpaper, just a normal image. Now, when you did it, it's also time to remove all of those bloatware apps and apps that you are not using at all. So start by opening the settings, go to the apps, and now just remove everything. In my case, for example, the Amazon shopping and all of those games and apps like booking. Just go for the application, click on the uninstall button. Also, when you are here, I can recommend you to go for the background automatic start. If there's like any application that can start in the background, I can highly recommend you to turn it off. Next, you have to also remember to keep your software up to date and check if there is no new updates. You can click here, make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, and as you can see, you can find if it is available. You can also click here, and by going to the settings, you can enable the automatic system updates, which is really useful. Now, I can recommend you to go for the more connectivity options and turn off all of those features that you are not using. So in my case, this is the Xiaomi Share. I'm turning this off, and also the printing services, all of them. I'm also not using quick share, so I'm gonna just turn it off. We have to select no one can share with us and don't set the device as visible. Now go to the lock screen and just make sure one more time that you are not using Wallpaper Carousel. Just make sure that you turn it off, then open notifications and a status bar, and make sure that you are gonna turn off all of those notifications from apps that you are not really using. So select apps that can show notifications and simply turn it off. Then go to the home screen settings and turn off -1 screen. Don't use Google Discover pop-up Vault. In the display and the brightness settings, I will highly recommend you to turn on the 120 Hz refresh rate to get very smooth animations. And also you can change the theme for the default one. This is the best optimization for your phone. If you are using some fancy animation theme, it will slow down your smartphone. So now to restore default theme, you have to go for My Account, select Themes, and just pick Poco or Limitless, depends on your preferences, just like this. And you have to click Apply. Then open fingerprints, face data, and the screen lock. Open the privacy settings. Now you have to go for this one. Don't enroll in the user experience program, and go to the usage and diagnostics, and also make sure that you turn it off. Now by going to the battery settings, make sure that you are using the balanced mode. And also it will be really useful if you charge your phone, because when your phone battery is around 5, 10 or 15%, it will also slow down the performance. Then you have to open the Google section, open all services. Here we have to go for the device scanning actually. The usage and diagnostics, make sure that you turn it off, and then go for the devices and turn off scan for nearby devices. Then go to the additional settings, and you have to go for gesture shortcuts. Remove that Google Assistant from your power key and move for the memory extension and add 8 gigs of RAM. So click on it and then select reboot. Then you have to open the security application. And first of all, perform the scan for viruses. Check if you don't have any malware on your phone. If you have one, you will don't have this green mark. Like in my case, you will have the red question mark, and you can fix this by following on-screen instructions. You can also quickly boost the speed of your device by clicking here, so it will clear cache. Close all of this running apps in the background, just like this. There we go. Now we just free up 2 gigs of RAM. And you can also open this deep clean feature. So here you can find all of the files that you don't really need, like some deleted videos. You can also find reminders about deleting big files. You can delete 66 unnecessary photos. Like in my case, as you can see, I have like 375 megabytes of almost the same photo. And in this security application, you can also find the game turbo feature that will improve the internet speed and how the games works on this smartphone. So we have to just open this, click on the settings icon, and turn on the game turbo here. Then go to the performance, make sure that you turn on the performance optimization and the Mi Wi-Fi speed boost. And yeah, that's basically everything for this video. I hope you find this video useful.